Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on LangSmith adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the LangSmith website and log in using your username and password. Ensure you have access to your account before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for a section labeled Security or Account Security in the menu options. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRUP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code. Options may include using an authentication app, receiving a text message, or email verification. Step 5. Follow the setup instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This may involve scanning a QR code with an authentication app or entering a code sent to your phone or email. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be enabled on your LangSmith account, enhancing your security. Make sure to keep your authentication method accessible for future logins.